Hello, everybody. How y'all doing? My name is Louis Avila, and thank you for joining my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, check in the bio, read the comment section if you will. Comment, like, all that. Appreciate it so much. And if you're looking forward to learn more or even get involved and have any questions on any classes I'm able to offer, I could be able to teach you more about AutoCAD as well as two-dimensional and three-dimensional design for AutoCAD as well as Revit. But let's get started here. So I'm going to be able to showcase you guys how to create a block, something simple and easy. This video shouldn't take too long. So, okay, so let's just say we want to create a block of, say, a door. Well, first of all, we have our scale here in AutoCAD is 1:1. We might want to set it to architectural, which is fine. Usually exterior doors is around 3 feet. So if we could just go here, create a line, let's say, we create a line going up, say 3 feet, enter. We got our 3 feet line right there. And let's just hypothetically say the door panel is what? I don't know, let's just put 2 inches. Okay, it's 2 inches there. And then we're gonna draw our 3-foot line here, 3-foot line there, just for reference. And then let's close it off there. Actually, we're going to put the reference line there. And then we're going to draw the arc from these points. And now that's established, we're going to just cut that off right with the trim command. We can delete this reference line now and just close this off here. So now we drawn our door. We have our door here. Let's put some color on it. Let's see. All right, so we got our door here. But the thing is, we want to make it into a block. So let's just go, say, we want to highlight the door. And then we're going to type in block. And then we're going to just name it. Just name it 3-foot door. Now you have your specify on screen base point. And then for the object, you want to select the objects. Select all of the objects. And that's going to be converted to a block. And then so you press enter once you select all the objects. And I don't use the annotative. I'm going to keep everything 1:1. And I'm going to the base point. I'm going to pick the base point as there. That's my base point. And then you could write a description if you want to. So 3-foot door, and then you can just press OK. And this new AutoCAD feature, it does have us, it automatically goes into the block editor space, but we can easily just close the editor space, save changes, and we're good to go from there. And there goes our base point. Now that's how you be able to create a block. You can use the same methods with creating other blocks. And that's all I have for you guys today on how to create a block. Thank you.